Buckle up to experience the irresistible charm of Ipswich, which is sure to make your academic journey a grand success. Welcome to Athena Hall, where modern living meets style, ensuring your student journey is nothing short of spectacular. Nestled close to the city center, Athena Hall offers a selection of convenient en-suites and private studios to choose from, where each unit opens up to a cozy bed, dedicated study desk, plus a wardrobe and shelving, taking your stay to the zenith of comfort. What's more, relax, socialize, and unwind in the vibrant social hub. Say goodbye to daily hassles with on-site laundry and an in-house bike storage facility. Stay at the forefront of your academic pursuits with high-speed Wi-Fi. And the best part? All bills are included, ensuring your stay is comfortable. Speaking of location, University Campus Suffolk and University of Suffolk are just a pleasant stroll away, making your commute a breeze. Explore a myriad of culinary delights at nearby gems like Cafe Marina, Bella Napoli Express, or the Fat Olive Company. When the weekend calls for celebration, dance away your worries at the club, a short drive away. And with various bus stops and train stations at your disposal, the entire city of Ipswich is yours to explore. So, what's holding you back? Head over at amberstudent.com right now to book your ideal stay at the Ipswich, your ticket to an irresistible and unparalleled academic journey.